speed since I was 3 years old, but the concept for Depreciation Nation really began 10 years ago when I came across a Volkswagen Passat that had been repossessed by a local finance company. The car had a crunched driver's side fender, a dead battery, and I was told that it didn't run. Those familiar with the early Passats with the 1.8 liter turbos are aware of the engine oil coking issue that they had that prevented the vehicles from running properly. That was the issue with this car. So I dropped the subframe, cleaned the oil pan out, dropped the oil pump, cleaned it out, reassembled the car, and drove it satisfied for the next 2 years. That led to a 1984 BMW 318, which led to a 1984 Audi 4000S Quattro, which led to a 1995 BMW M3, which led to the next car, and the next car, and the next car. Last August, I bought this car right here for $300. Similar issues, supposed blown head gasket. However, it ended up being a crankcase ventilation system, and as a result, I had this car on the road for adding an additional $105. The cars behind me are the cars I have lusted after for years. Your taste might be different. My taste is depreciated German automobiles. I can buy them for next to nothing. They have some issues, some cosmetics, and some engine work that needs to be done. And I can generally rehab them for very little investment. This car right here, I have $1,500 in with the wheels, the tires, and all the other cosmetics that I wanted to add to this vehicle on top of the general maintenance items. The goal of this channel is to show you what you can buy for $300 or $400 and rehab yourself. This car has had every maintenance issue addressed with it. It has 191,000 miles on it. The air blows cold, and we drive it almost every day. This was the car I wanted since it came out in 1999. As a result, this is the car that I have lusted after for years, and I finally got one for a lot less than they were in 1999, or in this case 2005. Interior's perfect, everything functions as it should, and it's been a fantastic car for the year that we've had it. This isn't going to be so much of a tutorial as a guide from point A to point B, from the point that we buy the car to everything that needed to be done to the point that the car is finished. You're going to see time lapses of the processes, you're going to see receipts of the money that we spent. Ultimately, what we are going to do is show you how you can be a member of Depreciation Nation and drive the car that you've wanted for many, many years.
This video is sponsored